Welcome to this presentation on modular floating pumped storage, a revolutionary energy storage solution for a greener future. This innovative technology unlocks gigawatt-scale flexibility from existing hydroelectric infrastructure. The system offers 30 to 40% lower capital expenditure, 70 to 80% efficiency, and a lifespan of over 50 years with rapid deployment capabilities. Additional benefits include 10 to 15% higher production, maximized reservoir levels, grid balancing, and significant environmental benefits. Let's examine the critical problem facing renewable energy today. Energy storage limits are preventing us from fully utilizing green energy. In the United Kingdom alone, 2.3 terawatt-hours of wind energy were curtailed in 2021, costing consumers €507 million annually. Clean energy is being wasted due to grid constraints and insufficient storage capacity. In Europe, we saw 4,838 hours of negative or zero prices in 2024, a 2 times increase from 2023. This wind oversupply causes extreme price volatility, creating an urgent demand for effective storage solutions. The Nord Pool market data reveals a significant arbitrage opportunity. Daily price spreads range from 20 to €150 per megawatt-hour, with seasonal price spreads creating substantial opportunities for storage assets. As shown in the chart, prices fluctuate dramatically throughout the year, starting at €95 per megawatt-hour in January, dropping to €40 in the summer months, and rising back to €120 by December. The daily peak spread follows a similar pattern, ranging from €50 in summer to €190 in December. These variations demonstrate the immense potential for energy storage systems to capitalize on price arbitrage. New Stream Innovation solution is modular floating pumped storage, featuring scalable pump modules. These standardized pump units enable rapid deployment, minimizing costly new construction while increasing utilization of massive hydro dam infrastructure. Large volume production of modules keeps prices and engineering costs to a minimum. The system utilizes industrial-grade pumps at 2.5 megawatts each, with a floating platform design featuring marine-engineered platforms and robust anchoring. Variable frequency drives enable grid balancing and high efficiency. The modular and scalable design allows systems to scale from 2.5 megawatts to over 25 megawatts per system, with rapid deployment of 12 to 18 months compared to 5 to 10 years for traditional pumped storage hydro. Technical performance includes 70 to 80% round-trip efficiency, an operational lifespan of over 50 years, response time of less than 5 minutes, and a capacity of 2.5 megawatts per module. This technology enables gigawatt energy storage systems by maximizing use of existing infrastructure. Pump modules can be deployed in cascading hydro systems to form a massive energy storage network. The pumps enable maximization of storage capacity going into the winter season and replenish storage during windy days, greatly enhancing production over the most profitable months of the year. Minimum and maximum flows and reservoir levels can be maintained while still increasing average head height and storage utilization, thereby maximizing production. Pump penstocks can be attached to dam walls to minimize construction works on new land. Connection to the grid is done through existing transformer stations and infrastructure. The system is used for both long and short-term arbitrage, as well as ancillary services to maximize profits and minimize payback time. The key benefits provide superior economics and strategic advantage. First, there's a dramatic cost advantage. with the modular floating system costing 800 to 1,200 euros per kilowatt, compared to 1,730 to 4,505 euros per kilowatt for traditional pumped storage hydro plants. This represents a 30 to 40% lower capital expenditure by using existing infrastructure, avoiding costly dam construction, and reducing project risk. Second, speed and flexibility allow for a 12 to 18-month installation timeline, with modular scaling from 2.5 to 25 megawatts, minimal approval process, maintaining minimum and maximum flows and levels, and no major civil works. This is rapid deployment compared to 5 to 10 years for traditional pumped storage hydro. Third, utilization of existing infrastructure provides 10 to 15% increased production by maximizing seasonal reservoir levels, increasing average head height, replenishing reservoir levels during windy winter months, connecting to existing transformer stations, and accessing ancillary services to maximize revenue. Finally, returns and sustainability show a 6 to 8 year payback period with a 50-plus year lifespan and significant eco-benefits, including storing curtailed renewable energy, zero additional emissions, and enhanced grid stability. The market opportunity and strategic next steps are substantial. The addressable market includes Norway's 87 terawatt-hour reservoir capacity across 1,700-plus hydro plants, representing multi-gigawatt potential and a 2 to 5 billion euro market over 10 years, with retrofit potential for 50% of European Union hydro storage. Priority markets include Norway as primary with 1,700-plus plants and 87 terawatt-hour capacity, Sweden as primary with key cascaded river systems, Finland as secondary with active pumped storage hydro development at 300 megawatts, and Scotland as secondary with expansion and policy support. Possible partners include major industry players such as Sulzer, ABB, Uniper, Fortum, Voith, Andritz, and Vattenfall. Thank you for your attention. Newstream Innovations' modular floating pumped storage represents a transformative approach to energy storage, combining economic efficiency with environmental sustainability to support the transition to renewable energy.